Guys, so here I am with the second video. Today in this video we are going to have the tour of my house, the student apartment which I'm living in Germany. Through this video you can have a knowledge of what are the student amenities you're gonna get in the apartment so that you can plan your packing and all before itself. So let's get started. We are starting from the ground floor of the apartment. So this is the ground floor of the apartment. Here I will be showing you the post boxes. So the first thing you have to do when you move into your apartment is you have to stick your name card on the post box so that your campus card and all the documents for the city registration and all others you'll be receiving on the post box itself. So your name is important on the post box, so please do that thing first. Then this will be the entrance to the apartment. Every apartment will have this intercom service. These are the buttons for all the apartments with the respective numbers. You have to place your name on that intercom service as well. If there are any visitors, then without the keys you can give access to them to enter into this door itself. So without access or without the keys, no one can enter into this main door. So that's the level of security in every apartment, student apartments. So this is how we can enter with the first key. In the bunch of keys, that is the first entrance key, and other key we will have that will be for the post box. So from the inside we can take the post box key that will be common to all the roommates who are living in the same apartment along with you. So now I don't have any letters. Let's go into the left now. So I will be living in the 6th floor of this apartment. My apartment is known as the August Metzweg. This is the student apartment given to me by the Bavarian AG. Along with Bavarian AG, there are many other housing agencies through which you can get your student accommodation. After you get your admit into a university, then you can start looking for the accommodation. So here I am into the lift. So I'm going to the top floor. Along with this, as I told you, there is Studierendenwerk, also Bavarian AG and Quartier 56. And I will be giving you all the links for these housing agencies and the procedure to find the student accommodation in the description below. So please check out the description to get more information about the application process for student accommodations and all. So now let's get into our apartment. My apartment. So this is how is the corridor. So every door which is in blue color are the apartments and the white colored ones are the staircases or the fire exits. That's the difference. I found it later after 2 days. So this is the apartment entrance. In the bunch of keys we'll have another key which is the main access key to the apartment door. So here we are into the apartment. Don't forget to take your keys. I always forget this. So but be safe to always carry your keys. There you may be given a fine if you lose your apartment keys. It will be around 300 euros for each key. So just be real careful with the keys of not losing them. Once you sign the contract, it's all your responsibility. So now let's see the wash basin and the toilet. This is one bathroom. There is also another bathroom. Because I'm living in a 4 shared apartment, like we have 4 roommates, I have 3 other roommates who will be living along with me. So we have 2 bathrooms. One is a smaller one, but this is a bigger one. This contains the bathtub along with the washing area and also another toilet space. This is the heater present in the bathroom as well. so you don't have to worry. Heater will be present in every room, from bathroom to kitchen to every room you move, there will be a heater. As long as you are inside the apartment, there is no need for you to worry about the temperature. It will be just like as it is in India. So this is the washing machine as well inside the apartment. Most of the apartments don't get the washing machine. You need to adjust with the washing machine. There will be shared washing machines, but here in our apartment we have one. This will be the cleaning service from the Bavarian AG, the housing agency itself. In my apartment, they'll be coming over every 10 days. So in a month, there will be 2 cleaning sessions. This is my room. So first thing you can see is the desk and the chair. These amenities you will be getting in every apartment, every student apartment. You don't have to worry about that. You will be having a desk and a chair along with a bed. That's my bed, and this is the cupboard. These 4 things you'll be getting in every student apartment. That will be common in Germany. Luckily, I have got a balcony also for a very nice scenic view. This place I'm living in is very serene and very calm. You can get it through the beautiful scenic view from the window itself. From the balcony, let's check out the view. So these are the kind of doors as well as the windows which you get in all over Germany. So I'll explain you that also. So this is the view from my apartment. I'm living on the 6th floor, as I told you. We've also got space for plantations. Let's see what will I be doing with that. This is the parking place for all the blocks of the apartments. The place I live in here is like a residential area, so there are a lot of residential spaces. It's a little far from the Darmstadt city. It's just 20 minutes far by tram, so that's not a problem. This kind of lever system you'll be finding it only in Germany. All over Germany you'll find the same kind of lever system. So when you pull the lever to the top, the door itself will open out as a window as well as with a small opening. Now we can open it as well as a door. So when you keep it in the horizontal way, the lever, it opens as a door. So when you lock it to the bottom, it locks out. So this function, I see it as a natural AC in Germany. If you open your window or a door a little bit, as I shown you just now, it will be, your room will be around 18 degrees or 16 degrees Celsius. But if you open your door or window fully, then you can have your room at 0 degrees Celsius also, which is not possible even with normal ACs. So that's how you can use these windows and doors if you want to open it. So along with the free education and the free transportation and all, students also get this amenity of free AC, I guess. As I told you, if you want fresh air also, you can open it up. I keep my bed close to this window, so some or the other time I just open it for a little time, then I close it. This is how you close it. That's my roommates, 3 of my roommates. This is our combined kitchen we have. The kitchen is very close to my room actually. I am very lucky. I have a balcony, kitchen is close to my room. I have a washing machine which you don't get usually in every student apartment. Now this is the kitchen also has heater, as I told you. Like that thing. Hey, that's a bachelor life, bro. Bachelor life, it's chalta hai. So these are the racks which you get. We have to share this, and this you can see, this is built-in fridge. Wow. The fridge will be a shared one between all the roommates, so I suggest to all the vegetarians out there who are strictly vegetarians, I suggest them to get in contact with the roommates before itself and get your own rack inside the fridge. If you require it, then you can have it. This is the racks which you get. These also you can split it out between the roommates, or if your roommates are very understanding, then you can share these racks also along with them. This is the sink and the washing area. Moving on to the next, we have the baking oven at the bottom. It also serves as the microwave oven. Now let's see the rack which have piled up with all my utensils, cooking stuff. It's very close to the cooking area. Also you can see the rice which I've bought from India. I bought a rice of 5 kgs from India. So here you get rice, only basmati rice you get it here. Sona Masuri also you get it here, but it's a little bit costly. Later on you have to get it here also. So if you don't want to get it from India, you can have it here also. Then we have all the stuff which I've stocked up, the oil and all, you can get it here, no worries. So this is the scenic view from the kitchen also. My apartment is not only close to the forest, and also it is close to the railway station. It's not a railway station, it's a tram station actually. It's connected to the Luisenplatz city center. So this was it. This was my apartment. This is all I had to show in my apartment.
Hello everyone, this is the wrap-up video of Akhil's room in Eberstadt, Frankenstein. So now I think this video would help you to be a bit curious about how the student dormitories look in Germany as well. So now let's make an agenda for the upcoming summer semester, like starting from the DART programs and then going to the course selection and then moving on to the toughest part of the hurdle of master courses or bachelor courses, that is the uni assist process. So that thanks for your valuable time and support. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel because we'll be